In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this tray out of free wood. That's right, wood pallets. Hey, you can go right now to the street corner and probably find a wood pallet and build this yourself. And hey, this thing was pretty easy to build. The toughest part of this project for me was the handles, because I just don't have a jig or a drill press, that would make this a lot easier. But other than that, this thing came together really awesome. I love how it looks. And these are great for hospitality, for serving tea, coffee, food in your house. So great looking. You can also sell these. You can gift them, give them away, sell them, whatever you want to do. But I just love how it came out. And this is free wood, guys. So I'm hoping you guys enjoyed the video. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Guys, remember, most importantly, Jesus is Lord, and you guys have a great day. God bless. Okay, so what I'm going to start doing is getting this wood planed. This is wood pallet wood, and this is grungy, dirty, and I got to get it nice and smooth looking. So that's my first thing I'm going to do. Okay, so after that, I'm going to use my level to get one side perfectly straight. So this is how I joint my wood. And when I was doing this, all of a sudden I get hit by this shard of wood that came off the front of this wood. Look at this. Ouch. Look at that. That was a close call. So nothing happened. I'm good to go. So back to jointing. What I'm basically going to do is joint every side, and then I'm going to take it over to the fence, and now I'm just going to straighten the opposite side. Very simple, an easy way to joint wood without a jointer. So now let's get everything measured up. This tray is going to be about 16 inches long, and it's going to be about 8 inches to 10 inches wide. What I love doing here is you could definitely use a stop block on your miter saw. Well, sometimes I just stack the wood 2 or 3 high and then cut them. But hey, you can do anything that works for you. This is what I do sometimes. Okay, so everything looks nice and clean, cut, straight. And this is what the tray is going to look like. What I have to do now, guys, is work on the handles. And this was the most difficult for me because I really didn't have a jig or a drill press to do this. So I tried my best and it came out pretty good. So you're going to see me struggling here, but I got through it and I was able to get these handles done. So what I'm going to do is once I use I made 3 holes basically, I'm going to use a jigsaw to cut out. So that's going to cut right through the holes. And then I'm going to clean everything up after. This is kind of an exclamation point. I thought this was kind of funny. You know, Canada exclamation. Anyways, just having some fun. So what I'm using now is a straight bit in my router just to make everything smooth as possible. You can go in there with a chisel or a sandpaper, whatever you want to do. I thought this was like a quick way of doing it. And then I used another bit just to get more of a curved, more of a distinct curve on that handle. So this is what the handles look like. Came out really good. Everything's looking great. So now it's just time to wood glue everything and add some brad nails. Now, the wood glue is awesome. The brad nails definitely, they are going to show. So unless you're going to stain it or maybe hide the brad nails with some sort of wood filler, then I would suggest that. Or you can just leave them. You could just like wood glue this and not even use the brad nailer. So on this side, I actually kind of made a mistake, and I noticed that some of the nails were going through the table. So I had to take this apart and redo it. But next time, I'm not gonna try not to make that same mistake. All right, so basically that's it. The last final parts to get some sandpaper. I'm using my orbital sander with 120 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna get this thing really smooth and just go around it for a few minutes. And oh, forgot, yeah, I'm gonna also use my router just to clean all the edges on the top. And this gives it a nice like finish. Now, this is pretty much it. Now I left it plain. You guys can add a stain to this, color it, paint it, add a sealer, top coat, whatever you want. But this is the way I left it. And this thing looks great. Very simple project. Hey, you guys can build this. You can do something with, give it to somebody, sell it, whatever you guys like. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey, have a great day, guys. God bless. And Jesus is the Lord. Thank you. Hey there, what's up everybody? Check this out. I have a